Hi everyone, in today's video, we'll uncover practical tips to stay active even with a desk job. We'll learn how to eat smarter without cutting back too much and how to make small but powerful lifestyle changes. These tips are tailored for busy women who want to stay healthy without complicating their routines. So, stick around for simple strategies that truly work. To begin with, set a timer to stand up every 30 minutes. Stretch, walk around your desk, or just march in place. These micro breaks improve blood circulation and burn calories. They also help reduce stiffness and muscle tension caused by sitting for long hours. Taking these short breaks can boost your energy and focus throughout the day. Drinking water helps you feel full, boosts metabolism, and keeps your energy levels steady. Aim for 2 to 3 liters a day. Staying hydrated also supports healthy skin and helps prevent headaches. It's an easy way to stay on track with your health goals while working. Carry a home-cooked lunch with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. For example, try dal, brown rice, and a side of veggies. Avoid packaged or greasy office canteen food. Home-cooked meals allow you to control portion sizes and nutritional value. This way, you can ensure that you are eating balanced, wholesome meals. Moving to the fourth tip, climbing stairs is a great way to sneak in exercise. Even a few minutes can make a big difference over time. It's a quick, effective way to elevate your heart rate and strengthen your legs. Make it a habit to take the stairs instead of the elevator whenever you can. Include protein like paneer, lentils, dal, or tofu in every meal. Protein helps control hunger and keeps you energized throughout the day. It also supports muscle repair and growth, which is essential if you're staying active. Including protein-rich foods can help you feel satisfied longer and avoid unnecessary snacking. Simple desk exercises like shoulder rolls, seated leg lifts, or neck stretches can keep your muscles active and prevent stiffness. Try a 5-minute stretch routine daily. These small exercises can relieve muscle tension and improve posture. They can also reduce the risk of repetitive strain injuries from long hours of sitting. Cut down on sugary tea, coffee, and soft drinks. Opt for green tea, black coffee, or infused water instead. These small swaps can save you hundreds of calories daily. Green tea, for example, is packed with antioxidants and supports metabolism. Choosing healthier beverages helps reduce the risk of energy crashes throughout the day. Use a fitness tracker or mobile app to monitor your steps. Aim for at least 5,000 to 10,000 steps a day. Walking is an easy and effective way to burn calories, even with a busy schedule. Tracking your steps can motivate you to stay active and make sure you are meeting your daily fitness goals. Up next, replace chips and biscuits with roasted makhana, nuts, or fruits. Portion your snacks to avoid overeating, and always choose healthy options. These alternatives are packed with nutrients and healthy fats that keep you fuller for longer. Healthy snacks also provide sustained energy instead of sugar highs and crashes. Finally, replace white bread and maida-based items with whole grains like brown rice, jowar, bajra, or whole wheat. These options are rich in fiber and keep you fuller for longer. Whole grains support digestion and provide a steady source of energy throughout the day. They also help regulate blood sugar levels and contribute to overall health. Here are the key takeaways. Staying active during a desk job is essential to avoid stiffness and improve circulation, so make sure to take regular breaks. Keep a water bottle nearby to stay hydrated and energized throughout the day, aiming for 2 to 3 liters. Focus on eating healthy meals with protein, fiber, and healthy fats to fuel your body and keep cravings at bay. Lastly, track your steps and aim for at least 5,000 to 10,000 steps daily to stay active and boost your metabolism. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your overall health and energy levels. Stay consistent with these simple habits to feel more active and energized throughout the day. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to try them out and see the benefits for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos on weight loss.